and welcome to another how-to video from the Salem and Wildwood Division of Forest River. My name is Sean Fitzsimmons, Warranty Administrator for the Wildwood product line, and today we're going to be talking about your breaker panel. Your converter should be installed in the cabinet face near the ground and will have a cover that if you press can be removed or flipped down. There are two sides to a converter. The left side is the 110 volt side and the right side is the 12 volt side. The 110 volt side has resettable breakers like a home, while on the 12 volt side will have replaceable blade fuses. If you're experiencing any electrical issues, be sure to check your converter for a trip breaker or blown fuse. Otherwise, contact a Forest River dealer for assistance. Always make sure when replacing fuses that you replace each fuse with the correct amperage size as labeled. Example, 15 amp to a 15 amp. Otherwise, this can cause issues with your electrical system and appliances and can be a potential fire hazard.